Go to 711Proxy dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies in the left sidebar. Choose your plan type. Select username, password. Select sub-user. Choose country/region, state/city. Select the session type and proxy host. Set up the output format and the number of generation. Click Generate. The list of proxies has been generated and is ready to use. Before configuring, make sure that the IP address you wish to access the proxy service from has been removed from the whitelist. Open the browser. Click on the icon and select Options. Click on New Profile. Enter a profile name. Click on Create. Select the protocol you need. Enter the host and port. Click Apply Changes. Open a new window. Enter your username and password in the pop-up window. Tap on Sign In. Now you can start using proxies. Thank you for watching.